welcome to Xposed GH. If today is your first time of tuning into our channel, subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification button so that anytime we post something, you're the first person to be notified. So, when it comes to relationships, most of the times we don't really care about some of the things that goes on in the relationship. They hear and say, you are in love, so whatever somebody will say to you, not listen. You are in love, yes. And in most cases too, the couples, they are happy outside, sad inside. Happy outside, sad inside. And most of them don't want to talk about it because of how people are going to react. And at the end of the day, we can say, and now they're and you are still with that person and all that. So I'm just saying all these things because there's this murder case, okay, in Hope that happened last Monday. So last Monday, the resident of Fiefu, yes, so I might not get the name correct, okay, but yeah, so a tenant, actually two tenants, okay, Lizzie and then the boyfriend are over 3 identities: Frank, Augustine, Emmanuel. Only one human being. He has 3 names, and that 3 names in the crowd there, he has name now half for different, name now half for different. So a person who has 3 identities, nobody even knows where he's coming from. All they know is naughty. He was in the same house with his girlfriend. They were all happy. Even the neighbors even said, these people, they were so much in love. They were like brother and sister. So you wouldn't even know, say, something bad like this or something was even happening in between them, because you see them all in the love circle like that, in love. You see love. You wouldn't see anything negative about them. So this particular Augustine, Emmanuel, Frank, Edino, or 3 names, it's me one now, killed his girlfriend, okay, on didn't share fridge or kataso or lucky or koi. So nobody know where he was, and he came back to tell his landlady that landlady, my spare key near one chain, and the landlady also gave the spare key to him. So she doesn't know what is happening. She didn't know what was going on. I'll bet him his spare key. So they said weeks later, what he said, need them one to the extent said once now especially massive. So his co-workers came around looking for him and the girlfriend because they all work at the same place. Landlady said, so since his room is smelling now, you can go and check what is inside. They checked everywhere. They went to see inside the fridge, dead girl inside. So the question here is, everybody in the house says they did not hear anything unusual, like girl no one came, nothing like that, nothing of sort. So how did it happen? Everybody is even asking, say, how did it happen? Why did it happen? Because these people, they were so much in love, like they were madly in love that you would not even suspect that there was anything going on between them. That is why they say sometimes what beautiful colors are not all beautiful. But color fair, but it's not nice. At the end of the day, just like you go to the market to go and buy apple, okay, you see this apple, it looks nice, fresh. Apple, and yet they cry apple. So this is what has happened in Go. They are still looking for this man. And God, just guys, look at this lady. Fair lady. Look at her beauty. And whatever that happened that he killed her or didn't share fridge, they are still looking for him. So I wouldn't say anything about this particular issue, okay? So when they catch him, okay, I'll come and tell you guys, and I'm sure he's going to tell why he did what he did to the lady. So when they finally get hold of him, guys, I'll come and tell you guys. So don't worry at all. And you know what, sometimes before going to a relationship, I don't know, it's not all about how should I put it, investigation. No, it's not about investigation, but it's about knowing who you are in a relationship with, what that person is, that person's temperament is. Like, I don't know, temperament, knowing your partner's temperament sometimes is because at the end of the day, you know how that person is, whether she's this or she's that, you know. But most people don't really care. Like the neighbors said, they were all so much in love that you wouldn't even suspect, say, girlfriend, son, you wouldn't even suspect them because happiness was all over them. So even if she was going through some emotional trauma or she was going through any sort of abuse, because everybody sees them to be happy, everybody sees them to be so much in love. So who even go and ask you, say, oh, do you have any problems in your relationship? Of course nobody will go and ask now. If people you are happy, so who come and ask if you are sad in your relationship? So guys, that's all for today, okay? I'll be bringing you all updates on this particular issue, okay? When they catch him, yes, I'll tell you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. Your comments, your opinions are warmly welcome. It's your girl